We are on the cusp of a new era in biotechnology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming the field. Like a key unlocking ancient secrets, AI is giving us unprecedented power to understand and manipulate the building blocks of life. Gene editing, once a laborious and imprecise process, is becoming faster and more accurate. Synthetic biology, the creation of new biological systems, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is becoming a reality. This revolution is driven by powerful new AI tools. These tools are changing how we decode and design DNA, the blueprint of life. Imagine a world where we can cure genetic diseases with a single injection. Imagine crops engineered to withstand climate change. This is the promise of AI-driven bioengineering, but with great power comes great responsibility. The same tools that can heal can also harm. The potential for misuse is real. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that these powerful technologies are used for good. Our future depends on it. At the forefront of this revolution is Evo AI. Developed by the Arc Research Institute, Evo AI is a powerful new tool that is changing how we understand and manipulate DNA. Imagine a master codebreaker able to decipher the most complex ciphers. That is Evo AI. Evo AI has been trained on a massive data set of microbial genomes. This vast library of genetic information allows Evo AI to decode and design DNA with remarkable precision. It can identify genes that cause disease, design new proteins with specific functions, and even create entirely new CRISPR systems for gene editing. One of Evo AI's most impressive feats is its ability to design genome-length sequences of DNA. These sequences contain over 1 million base pairs, the building blocks of DNA. This is a remarkable achievement, akin to writing a novel with 1 million characters, each one carefully chosen for its specific effect. Evo AI is a game-changer in biotechnology. It is accelerating research, leading to new discoveries and breakthroughs. Its potential applications are vast, from medicine to agriculture to environmental science. AI is not just changing how we understand DNA, it is also revolutionizing how we study and manipulate proteins, the workhorses of the cell. Proteins are responsible for a vast array of functions in living organisms, from catalyzing metabolic reactions to transporting molecules across cell membranes. AI-powered tools are giving scientists unprecedented power to design and engineer proteins with specific functions. These tools use algorithms to predict the three-dimensional structure of proteins from their amino acid sequences. This information is crucial for understanding how proteins work and for designing new proteins with desired properties. One example of this is the field of drug discovery. AI is being used to design new drugs that target specific proteins involved in disease. This is leading to the development of more effective and personalized medicines. AI is also being used to design new proteins for industrial applications. For example, scientists are using AI to design enzymes that can break down pollutants or produce biofuels. The convergence of AI and biotechnology holds immense promise for the future. Imagine a world without genetic diseases, where we can grow crops resistant to pests and diseases, and where we can produce clean energy from renewable sources. These are just a few of the potential benefits of this revolutionary technology. In medicine, AI-powered gene editing tools could be used to cure genetic diseases like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and sickle cell anemia. These diseases are caused by mutations in a single gene. By correcting these mutations, we could potentially cure these diseases at their root. In agriculture, AI could be used to develop crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions. This could help us feed a growing global population in a sustainable way. In environmental science, AI could be used to develop new bioremediation strategies to clean up pollution and restore damaged ecosystems. For example, scientists are using AI to design microbes that can break down plastic waste or sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Section 5. The dual-use dilemma: benefits and risks. While the potential benefits of AI-powered biotechnology are immense, we must also be mindful of the potential risks. Like any powerful technology, AI can be used for good or for ill. This is the dual-use dilemma. On the one hand, AI could be used to develop new bioweapons that are more deadly and difficult to defend against. For example, AI could be used to design viruses that are highly contagious, resistant to existing treatments, or that target specific populations. On the other hand, AI could also be used to strengthen our defenses against bioweapons. For example, AI could be used to develop new diagnostics that can rapidly identify and characterize pathogens, as well as to develop new vaccines and therapeutics. Section 6: AI and Bioweapons, a new age of threat. The potential for AI to be used in the development of bioweapons is a serious concern. AI could lower the technical barriers to entry for bioweapons development, potentially enabling non-state actors to acquire these dangerous capabilities. Traditional bioweapons programs have faced significant challenges in acquiring the expertise, equipment, and materials needed to produce biological weapons. However, AI has the potential to automate many of these processes, making it easier and cheaper to develop sophisticated bioweapons. AI could also be used to enhance the properties of existing bioweapons, making them more transmissible, deadly, or difficult to treat. For example, AI could be used to design viruses that are resistant to existing vaccines, or that can evade the human immune system. The potential for AI to be used in bioweapons development is a serious threat that demands urgent attention from the global community. We need to strengthen international agreements, improve biosecurity measures, and foster a culture of responsible innovation in the life sciences. Section 7: Navigating the Future, Biosecurity and Governance. The rapid advances in AI and bioengineering necessitate a robust framework for biosecurity and governance. We need to ensure that these powerful technologies are used responsibly and ethically, while mitigating the risks of accidental or deliberate misuse. Strengthening existing international agreements like the Biological Weapons Convention, or BWC, is crucial. This includes increasing funding and staffing for the BWC, improving information sharing between states, and developing new verification mechanisms to ensure compliance. We also need to develop new norms and standards for the responsible use of AI in bioengineering. This includes establishing clear guidelines for the development and use of AI-powered tools, as well as promoting transparency and accountability in research and development. Section 8: The Urgent Need for Responsible Innovation. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of AI-driven bioengineering, the need for responsible innovation becomes paramount. We need to ensure that scientific progress is balanced with ethical considerations, and that the potential benefits of this technology are not overshadowed by its potential risks. This requires a multifaceted approach. We need to foster a culture of responsibility among scientists, encouraging them to think critically about the potential consequences of their work. We need to engage the public in an open and transparent dialogue about the benefits and risks of AI in biotechnology. And we need to develop strong regulatory frameworks that can keep pace with rapid technological advancements. Section 9: A Call to Action, Shaping a Secure Bio-Future. The future of AI and bioengineering is not preordained. We have the power to shape this future to ensure that these powerful technologies are used for the betterment of humanity. But this requires a collective effort. We need scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and citizens to work together to navigate the complex ethical, societal, and security implications of AI-driven bioengineering. We need to prioritize research into the potential risks of AI misuse in the life sciences and to develop effective countermeasures. And we need to foster a global culture of biosecurity where responsible innovation is the norm, not the exception. The stakes are high, but the potential rewards are even greater. By embracing responsible innovation and working together to address the challenges ahead, we can harness the power of AI to create a healthier, more sustainable, and more secure future for all. To stay informed about the latest developments in AI and technology, be sure to subscribe to this channel.